once you get the valve cover off, it's a 10mm bolts holding the valve cover and the coils, all 10mm. I removed this wiring. I just got it out of the way. Once you get that all done, just turn the crankshaft until you get it timed. Alright, then next we'll be taking off this bolt. It's a 14mm, and to hold the cam, it's a 23mm. Just get some of that equivalent if you don't have that. So I think it might be like 15/16 or something in that area. Just go ahead and hold on to the cam while you remove this bolt. Alright, so I kind of sped up here, wasn't recording. I got the tensioner off already. 2 10mm nuts on that. Alright, so I attempted to try to do that without removing the cam. Well, it's not possible. So I'm gonna have to end up removing the intake cam, which shouldn't be that bad. Don't worry about mixing these up because they're labeled. So there's a new one. I'm going to be putting it on now. Where it's one way pretty much. Got to put that slot. Match up that dowel right there with that slot. Hey, if you guys could do me a quick solid and hit that subscribe button, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I don't do a lot of long storytelling on my DIYs. I like to get them short and sweet so you guys get your car back on the road. Thank you. So this is the tensioner. Once you get to this point, you want to push this down all the way till probably hit to this metal part. Push the dowel all the way down and then set it with this little hook.